Welcome to Galaxy Log, a monthly video about observing galaxies that would be best seen in the upcoming month's dark window or near new moon. We will choose 3 galaxies for prime observation, with one each for smaller telescopes up to 5 inches, medium scopes 6 to 12, and large scopes over 12 inches. For Galaxy Log date 07.2013, we will head to Draco, Hercules, and Lyra for this month's galaxies. Our first galaxy for this month, we head to Draco and the galaxy NGC 5907. My daughter, using her 5-inch f6.5 refractor, recently observed this galaxy from a good dark sight. She first zeroed in on 5907 with a 20mm super wide field eyepiece. She noted the following. This is a very thin edge-on galaxy. It is difficult to resolve more than just a thin streak. The nucleus is not readily apparent. She then inserted an 8mm ultra-wide field eyepiece. With higher magnification, the core area looks brighter, but there's still no nucleus. There's a smattering of faint stars around the galaxy. Added observing note. In my larger 8-inch f9 refractor, this becomes one of the best edge-on galaxies in the northern sky. Best views with an 11mm ultra-wide field eyepiece. Here the galaxy is a beautiful bright streak, surrounded by a number of faint stars. The core area is fairly bright, with the thin ends of the galaxy stretching northwest to southeast. A hint of the dark lane, or just a modeling effect, is noticed in the center region. This is a striking edge-on galaxy, not to be missed. We next head to Hercules, the galaxies NGC 6500 and 6501. On an excellent night at a good dark observing site, with my 6-inch f6.5 refractor, I observed this pair of galaxies. With a 20mm super wide field eyepiece, the pair is seen as 2 small round fuzzies just west of a bright 7.5 magnitude star. The 2 galaxies and star form a triangle. Best view here is with a 6mm super wide field eyepiece, which shows the bright star is actually a neat double star. NGC 6500 is slightly fainter than its neighbor, though at times shows a faint stellar nucleus. 6501 is a round disk with a slightly brighter core. I also observed this pair and more with the 8-inch f9 refractor. With a 12mm super wide field eyepiece, the double star with the galaxies is in a rich field of fainter stars, and forms a wonderful view in the eyepiece. Best view of the galaxies was with a 5.5mm ultra-wide field eyepiece. NGC 6500 shows a slightly oval shape with a faint nucleus. NGC 6501 is slightly brighter and more round. Here a sharp stellar nucleus stands out. Added observing note. Just west of this pair is 2 more galaxies, NGC 6490 and 6495. With the 8-inch refractor and a 5.5mm ultra-wide field eyepiece, I first saw 6495, which showed a faint round disk and a bright stellar nucleus. NGC 6490 was fainter and smaller, but just showed a small roundish glow with a brighter core. We next head to Lyra, at NGC 6745. This is one of my favorite types of objects to view, for it's an interacting system. I recently viewed NGC 6745 on an excellent night at my 12.5-inch f4.8 Dob. I first located this system using a 24.5mm super wide field eyepiece. It showed a small elongated fan-shaped patch, situated in or near a parallelogram of 13+ magnitude stars. Best view is with a 7mm ultra-wide field eyepiece. Here the weird elongated fan shape stands out well, with a bright small core near center. South of this core area it fans out to its broadest, and to the north a small bright elongated spot is evident. Last year, from an excellent dark sight, I observed 6745 using my 22-inch f4.5 dub. Best views with a 5.5mm ultra-wide field eyepiece. Here the main part of 6745 showed a bright core and a bright small patch just northeast of the core. A slight elongated brightening runs both east and west sides of the core, with the western side much more subtle. The southern area fans out into the darkness of the background sky. North of the main part of the system shows a small elongated bright spot that is separated ever so slightly from the main body. Also a very faint small patch, which seems to be referenced as Galaxy PGC 200361, was seen just north of the tip of 6745. This is a mysterious summer object to view, and I've seen it with no problem even in my 6-inch refractor, though a big scope really makes this a wondrous entity of the night sky. Well, that's it for this month's Galaxy Log. Clear dark skies and happy galaxy observing. Also remember, there's an amazing universe all around us. Explore it.
Galaxy Log is a production of Have a Stellar Birthday. We work with light, time, and people. Sponsored by 90mm Observatory. Backyard astronomy with small telescopes. Learn more at 90mm.org. Special thanks to the Chesmont Astronomical Society, dedicated to observational astronomy for more than 25 years. And to the music of Dave Luxton.